asuntoskeittiö Marsokka Savilahdenkatu 1 in Mikkeli. Staircase A or yeah. Is it? Oh, the staircase B actually. Oh, yeah.
Let's leave him there. So this is staircase B. Oh, that's. Oh, crap! It's nice. Oh, it's not that big gap.
Yeah.
Oh, it's old.
Yeah.
Old Geijer-Hissi. Built in 1983, A484. 4 persons or 325 kilograms. Oh, it's so small.
Oh, it's 4 persons.
Still quite small.
Yeah, I don't know.
But it's around 25. I thought it was the bigger one.
Oh, yeah.
Don't.
Mä inspektoin meitä takoin.
Next time we should check the elevator first before getting to the elevator.
Why?
Because now I thought it was the bigger gap, but it wasn't.
We filmed with Finnish elevator film 2004. And
I was born in 2005, by the way.
I mean, a Finnish elevator film 2004. What's so funny?
Look, there's the Finnish lift, young Finnish lift film 2006.
I mean, yes.
And there's the Finnish elevators 98 or 99. Okay, this video is hilarious. We can make the best videos always.
That's it.